Welcome to a new Trim and Tone full body series. Let's get started. The first exercise is to really wake up that spine. We're gonna work on every body spot from head to toe. That's right, our abs, our arms, our legs, our booty. Good, just warm up a little, get the blood circulated. You got this. Smile, we're gonna burn some calories, we're gonna tone our muscles. It's all about trimming and toning. Now lift those heels up. That's it. Now we're working the back of the thighs and a little biceps, a little arms. You got this. Great. Always think about the heel to the buttocks. You'll feel it in the back of your thighs, our hamstrings. Great. That's it. And use your arms. The more muscles you use, the more calories we burn. Yes. Just follow along. You got this. We got 2 more of these. Last one. Okay, now hold it right here. Hold it here. We're gonna work on our legs right now. Hips, thighs, and buttocks. So get low. That's it. How low can you go? Get a little lower. That's it. And now hold it right here. And let's do a little bit of mini squats. Just sit down and lift up. Sit back. Feel it through the legs and the buttocks. You got that. Sit back. Good. Abs are pulled in. Good, get good posture. You can do it. Squeeze the buttocks. That's it. And let's work the arms at the same time. Shoulder raise and relax. That's it. 2 workouts in 1. You can do it. Tone and trim and firm those beautiful muscles we have. 640 muscles. That's it. We'll firm them up right now. We got 2 more. That's it. Last one. Take it down. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Pull your abs in. Hold, hold. Isometric hold. And come on up. Let's concentrate on those abs now. Pull your abdominals up and in. Zip up those abs. Feel as though the belly button is pulled into the back of your spine. And think good posture. Let the leg come to you. Don't scrunch forward. Not yet. You want to think good length through the rib cage. That will lengthen through your abdominals, your core. Okay, 2 more. Now place your hands behind you and really think lengthen through those abs. We want to make more space for each vertebrae here. Good. Now it's time to do a little crunch. So let's twist it out. Crunch. You got it. Good. Just twist it out. Pull the belly button up and in and lift your chest a little higher up. There you go. Good. Twist it out. Good. Great for the waistline. Great for the abdominals. Also works the lower abs. 2 more. Last one. And hold it right here. Reach up and twist it out to one leg, one side. Cinch in the waist. That's it. You can do it. Lengthen that leg and then pull in. It's a crunch, a side crunch. You got it. Do the best you can. This workout is for you. Feel as though I'm your personal trainer coming right into your home. Denise is here to work me out. Yes, I am. Last one. Okay. Lengthen the body first and then twist it. You could do it. Good. Pull in. These are all the exercises I've been doing for years. They're tried and true. They work. You will see results. If you do them, you have to be regular. Be very consistent with your workouts. Okay, we're only doing 10-minute toning right now. Last one. Good. Okay, take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale and turn to the side. What I want you to do is a nice lunge. Hold the lunge. Pull your chest up. Hold it. Target tone the buttocks, the legs. Good. Hold the stretch. That's it. And reach all the way a little lower. You go a little lower. That's good. Feel the length through here. And now slowly lift up and squeeze your buttocks. Pull in the belly button. Feel the length right through here. Lengthening the thigh muscles. That's it. Tone and trim. But make sure you keep that front knee in a 90-degree angle. Don't bring your knee in front of your toe. Keep it up and down. You got 2 more. Last one. Okay, let's switch to the other side. First, the warrior pose to strengthen your thighs and your buttocks. Hold it up there. Hold it up. Isometric hold. They work the muscles. Hold it. Squeeze the buttocks. That's it. Get a little lower if you can. Lift through the chest. So you're getting lower in the lower half and lifting through the upper half. Yes, you got this. Good. Okay, come a little up. Squeeze the buttocks. Almost do like a little pelvic tilt. There you go. Down and up. Feeling the length right here. So good to trim and tone that area. Lengthen your legs. Beautiful. You just have a couple more. You can do it. Last one. Good. Now inner thigh firmers. Inside of your thighs. Yes. Get low. You can do it. Shift your hips side to side so you really get the inner thighs. That's it. Good. Get low if you can. But notice I'm sitting back. That's important. Okay, let's add a little waist twist to it. Twist through the waist. That's it. Reach in front. You can do it. Reach. Feel on the inside of your legs. No more jigglies. We gotcha. Good. 2 more. Last one. Okay, another great inner thigh toning. Lift your heels up and lift. Single here, single there. So it goes right to left. But notice I'm deep. So inside the legs. That's it. Good. A couple of these. Lift the heel. Good. Do you feel it in your inner thighs? That's where I want you to feel it. We're firming, we're sculpting, we're toning. We're tightening up through the inner thighs. Last one. Okay, beautiful. Now it's time to work in the back of those arms. I love this tricep back, kick back. It lifts up. Your back is strong and straight. And now let's just add a tap. Good, and tap. That's it. You're now using your thighs and your back of the arms. So when we wave goodbye, nothing will jiggle. You can do it. Hold it up. Got 2 more. Last one. Okay, relax. Lift your elbows up and back down. Lift and lower. You got this. Lift. This is trimming the upper back muscles. So important for all of us. Lift and squeeze. Good. Shape and tone. It also improves our posture. Yes, we all need that. Firming that area. No more broad overhang. So lift it up. Use your own resistance. Lift up and squeeze. There you go. Beautiful. We have 2 more. The last one. Good. And lift up. All right. Now top. Pull in straight up and down. I want you to have that stomach in. And now I want you to make sure you're getting the inner thigh and lift your leg. Inner thighs, now outer thighs. That's it. You got this. Just lift your leg out. That is excellent. Lower body trimmer. Lower half firmer. Yes, sculpt and shape those legs. Good. Resize your thighs. And muscle takes up less space. That's the beautiful part about staying fit through toning and trimming like this. Good. 2 more. Use the outer thighs. Okay, go to the other side. Lift and push away. Lift and push away. The push away really works the outer thighs. Also, you're firming up the leg you're on. So it's a double the workout. Get those outer thighs trimmed. No more saddlebags. Yes. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, hold it right up here. Hold it up. We're going to link through the abdominals. Lift up, 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 up. Arch a little. Squeeze the buttocks. Beautiful stretch. To the other side. Full body reach. You're pulling your abs up and in. You're lengthening through the rib cage. I'm giving space. Open up your chest. That's it. Beautiful. You're doing great. A couple more exercises for the upper body. Arm pull down. Good. Overhead and reach. As if you're pulling hard like a chain down. Like a machine. That's it. 2 more. Last one. And release. Let's all take a deep breath together. Bring in beautiful, clean oxygen. Inhale. let go. Just let it out. One more deep breath together. Bring in that oxygen. It equals energy. And just let it go. No more stress, no more tension. You did something for you. A great workout to firm and tone your entire body. Full body toner. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.